are facing a revolutionary challenge. If you think about, for example, the Dow Jones Index, and you look at the 5 richest company in the world, they completely change the first 5 position in less than 5 years. And they are all the tech giants. They are the global competitor in every sector. Let me explain. I'm a journalist. I'm responsible for what I'm saying now to you, and what you are reading on newspaper. There is an editor that is accountable for that. This is not happening with the tech giants. For example, Facebook is not responsible for what he delivers to you.